Jay and I are just sitting here telling stories of the bus.
Yeah.
Back in the day.
You know, they knew how to get your attention.
Man.
Some of them were heavy with the brake.
Oh, Mr. Finney. He was a hero in Copley. I mean, he's like a legendary school bus driver in the Copley Fairlawn School District. And man, somebody be out of line. He'd hammer on that brake real quick and
everybody looks up what's going on. I always try to tie in the weather word with the story previous, and I thought about this for a while. And you know how when two bus drivers would go by on the road, they would always do the bus driver wave. So that's your weather word today is wave.
Unless it was rival schools, Jay, then, you know, they'd give another wave. But you're absolutely right. Yeah, typically bus
They're
drivers.
in the same fraternity.
Right, typically, that's right, they are. You know, a lot of those seats had good padding as well. You'd figure that out real quick, Betsy.
Thank goodness.
Yeah, for sure. We'll get that weather word in. Temperatures outside right now, kind of hodgepodge, right? Look at Ashtabula County sitting in the 70s, even some 60s up towards Erie. More on that in a second. The rest of us, south of that front that's been wobbling across Lake Erie over the last couple days, we're in the 80s. Another hot and sticky day. Dew points have come up even versus yesterday. We're now near 70 degrees, so it is just downright humid once again, and that's all being propelled on our nice southwest breeze that continues to gust over 15 at times. Had another near miss. If you joined me last night, we were tracking powerful storms into areas just east of Erie. Yet another line just moved through. Conneaut, Kingsville had some rumbles with that, some heavier downpours. That thing's flying out towards the east over 60 miles per hour, so it is now long gone. Likely seeing the towering cumulonimbus and hearing the rumbles of thunder, which are now near Meadville, PA. That is outbound. No storms in the forecast as we go over the next couple hours, but you can see yet another very quick moving wave of energy along that front. There it is. All right. And that front will continue to produce these showers and thunderstorms, but it'll stay just towards our north. So what happens with this front over the next couple days? Well, it's surging back as a warm front tonight. So this will continue to track northward. So that'll continue to bring in the steam from the south. But eventually it's going to get the move on because we've got an area low pressure well off towards the west. This will get things moving, and it'll bring a line of showers and thunderstorms in here late tomorrow, and especially on into Wednesday. Still dealing with those really hazy, smoky skies. That is the wildfire smoke that's been overhead the last couple days. Look how it moves out, though, over the next 24 hours as we get that push of wind from the west at the mid-levels, and that should help to clear our atmosphere out as well. But we will have some rain. And this is Tropical Storm Nicholas down to the south. We'll talk more on that in the next half hour. National Design Mart Hour by our forecast. Clouds will come and go tonight. We should stay rain free. It's going to be a muggy night tonight. It's tomorrow that we really warm things up, and then we'll be tracking a line of showers and thunderstorms in from the west. Should move in well after sunset, and that will set up your Union Home Mortgage 7-day forecast with storms around on Wednesday. We come out of it with some sunshine and beautiful conditions setting up this weekend out ahead of another round of perhaps pattern changing thunderstorms next week. We'll be back right after this.